In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your phone number from Google Meet. It's a simple process, but if you're unfamiliar with Google account settings, it can be slightly daunting. So, I'm going to walk you through it step by step to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into your web browser. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, you'll notice your Google account icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will display a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Select this option to proceed. Once you're in your Google account settings, look for the tab labeled Personal Info and click on it. This tab is where you can manage all the personal details associated with your Google account. Scrolling down under the Contact Info section, you'll see an option for phone number. Go ahead and click there. Now, you're in the section where your phone number is listed. You'll notice a small arrow or option that might say, Verify Now, or something similar. It's important to understand that verification is often used to secure your account, so removing your phone number could affect how you interact with your Google services. If you truly want to go ahead and remove your number, click on this arrow to access further options. At this point, you should see the option to delete your phone number from the account. When you click on Delete, a confirmation window will pop up, summarizing what this action entails. Be sure to read through this information to ensure you're comfortable proceeding. Removing your phone number means you won't be verified through SMS or calls for two-step verification, which is an important layer of security for your Google account. Once you're ready, you can confirm that you indeed want to delete your number. After clicking Confirm, your phone number will be removed, and you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. Congratulations! You've successfully removed your phone number from Google Meet and your Google account. While this task might seem a bit complex, following these steps should make it a straightforward process. Remember, if you ever need to add your number back or adjust other settings, you can return to the Personal Info section of your Google account at any time. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with friends or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.